I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA, and today I want to talk to you about parts libraries with Proteus Oceanographic. The first thing I want to point out is how to start editing and looking at parts library entries. We have a specific program for that. Go to the Start menu and type Proteus Oceanographic, and you'll see there's the parts library editor, but also the designer. Of course, we want the parts library editor. This opens up with an empty library file. You can always make a new one going File, New. Click on the Add button, and you can click through and create a variety of different kinds of components. Well, when would you want to do that? There's two instances where you want to make a couple of new components. For example, if a part is not available in the official parts library, or if you're working on one-off components for a project that may not be reused elsewhere. So, for example, I've made a project parts library file here. If you double click on that, you'll see it opens up, and I've just got a sample frame, instrument frame in here. There's just some generic properties in here for that particular instrument frame. And I just intend to use it as a demonstration, but you can see it's just an example of where an instrument frame that might get used on a one-off case with a project, well, you just want to have that in your own individual parts library file. You may want to make another project parts file for your organization for commonly used components that you share amongst your colleagues as well. But take note, the official parts library, which you can download from the DSA website, is read-only. You'll see this read-only notice when you open the file. Of course, there's a lot of information in here on flotation, wire rope, chain, subsurface buoys, surface buoys. It's all searchable as well. If you start off with, for example, typing 40 inches, you'll see a range of the 40-inch spheres coming up from deep water buoyancy. We've worked really hard with a lot of equipment suppliers to put missing information that you can't necessarily find on spec sheets in the parts library here, for example, like mass. And we've put typical values for the inside length of the frames. That might be another instance where you have a very specific custom ADCP sphere where you want to put in a specific number. That'd be a good one to put in for your own individual parts library file. Remember, when you work with Proteus Oceanographic, this is a brand new empty project. You can add more than one library file by clicking here. So there's our parts library file. And then of course I can always add the official parts library file from where I've downloaded it on my computer here. Now when I click Add Assembly, and then I can see there's my instrument frame, and of course all of the other stuff that comes with the official parts library. That's it. Thanks for watching.